Look at this. It's comfortable to walk through here. Smells?
Nah, it's just him. Oh.
We have a cam here. That's a nice cam actually.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. It's low key.
Yeah.
Yes. A little custom setup. Very nice though.
Shopping area then, this must be.
It's part of it, yeah.
What did she say?
Something about her mission for this trip is something sounded funny.
Okay.
She has a mission on this trip. I heard balls in my face. But I don't know. I could be just hearing stuff.
How are the people doing in the States under the Trump administration?
They're trying to survive.
They're trying to survive, really?
They all regret it now.
Yeah, really. Yeah. This is also my understanding. We are getting this from the newspaper or from the news that lots of people are demonstrating against them.
Yeah.
No king amongst us, something like this.
Yeah, it's to a point now. I don't even keep up with what's going on. I just roll with the flow. Do I still have a job to go to? Okay, I'll go there.
Yeah, right. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Actually, only a lovely street here. So my wife would have liked it.
Yeah. Italian lingerie. Look at that. Yeah, look up front. Wow. Yeah, this is where I was last night. I remember this place.
This one?
Yeah, and so if we continue going straight up this way, we're gonna run into that strip I was telling you about.
Ah.
Tons of places to drink there. Well, all of this was closed really late.
Yeah.
So they don't
And it
allow.
was Sunday yesterday.
Yeah, so they don't allow vehicles around here. It's just scooters and bicycles.
Yeah. My wife just told me that she got nervous in Sevilla
Right.
because of the attacks in Israel and Iran. I don't know what she heard about it. The news are full of the tragedy actually.
Yep. Firing off.
What do the American people think about Israel actually? Are they supporting Israel? Because during the last 5 months or couple of months, they attacked 5 regions or 5 states,
Yeah,
and nobody seems to care.
honestly, I'm not sure. I don't know what's the happen of it. You know, it's sad what's going on, but
It's really sad.
I mean,
So it's the Israelis are doing what they want, actually.
Yeah.
Attacking the people.
yeah, free
And
range.
saying, yeah, and saying it's self-defense. But how it can be self-defense if you're striking first?
Correct. Correct.
At the end, just normal people like you and me are dying actually.
Yeah.
At
Yeah.
the end.
That's what it is. That's exactly what it is.
So, where are we heading to?
You want to check the strip out, or we can check out what's on your map? What was that area on your map? You said that was pretty lively. Is it this area we're in right now?
This is the area actually.
We're in it.
We are in it already.
Okay. Maybe we go that way.
Yeah.
See what's up. Yeah, because I haven't been down this way. I know it's that way. Yeah, they're all dressed in short tops, short shorts.
Do you have any plan for dinner?
No, I didn't make anything.
Yeah, okay. Look at here.
Let's go. Let's go. I see it. Looks like shopping area. My wife is here. She's going in every single one of these stores.
I was thinking the same actually.
Yeah.
Look at this building.
Boston.
Boston. How many hours do you have to work?
40
40?
minimum.
Okay. Minimum, really?
Sometimes they expect 50, 60, 70, depending on what's going on.
And then is this being paid? Then?
No.
Not paid, okay.
Unlimited overtime. Stay, you can work weekends if you like.
This is shitty.
If it's busy, the culture is you get it done. There's no comp day, no taking the day. Maybe it depends on how hectic it gets, you know. There's times where, you know, you work Saturday, Sunday, get 2 days back
And
on the house. But there's no overtime.
there's no
There's no overtime. Saturday. But it's
And for the hours you're spending on the airplane coming here, is it also, can you also take free time then?
so yeah, that hours you pay is on the company.
Okay.
So like I travel Friday,
Okay.
get here, you know, Saturday, Sunday, supposedly mine.
So I'm doing 37.5 hours per week. And if I'm doing some overtimes, I could also note down this one, and I could also take free time. Yes. And also the hours I'm spending in the airplane, like traveling hours, I could also register them.
Yeah.
Take free time. Not bad.
Yeah, maybe. Scooter or bar, maybe. Oh, that's a cafe. Cafeteria.